Good afternoon, amigos, from Mexico City. In today's 3-Minute Thursday, we have something just un poquito, a little bit different for you. If you spent any time in Mexico, we hope and think that it's something you're going to appreciate.
Yeah, over the last year and a half of our time in Mexico, we have come across a lot of things that have shocked us and surprised us, but nothing has confused us more than WhatsApp.
Alright, cool, then I'll send you a what.
A what?
Exactly. I'll send you a what.
Wait, you'll send me a what?
Yeah, that's what I said. Now, what's your what?
My what? What are you asking me for? I don't know.
Look, I'll just send you a what, okay?
But what is a what?
Okay, I get it. It's an app.
Well, what app?
Yeah, that's it. WhatsApp.
What's up?
No, WhatsApp.
Yeah, but what app?
Yeah, now you're getting it. WhatsApp.
Listen, just forget it. Just give me a call.
Alright, cool. I'll call you on What's.
You'll call me on what?
Exactly, you know, the app.
What app?
Exactly. Well, I think it's a good thing in real life it wasn't that hard to get your number or your what's or whatever people call it. Hopefully that little illustration, that little skit was resonated with you.
Yeah, we don't really understand WhatsApp, so now we have it because we need to fit it in here and it's the only way people communicate.
Yeah.
But I'm sort of confused because it uses data and people don't really use text messages here. So sometimes my whats don't send. So, I'm just sort of
Or we don't
confused.
receive the what's, the whatting what.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is funny to Mexicans because this is like, it's normal to use WhatsApp, but for us when we first came, like this conversation was easy to come up with because I think we had it
Pretty close.
plenty of times. Just send me a text message. Don't send me a what's. Just get my number and send me a text, not a what's, but we are slowly learning.
Poquito a poquito.
Yeah, poquito.
Thank you guys so much for watching our 3-Minute Thursday. We did want to point out one important thing. Who is this video dedicated to today?
This video is dedicated to Hector Jamie, and I hope I'm not mispronouncing. Yeah, I hope I'm not mispronouncing your last name. I think I got the first name right, but I'm working on my Spanish pronunciation. Yeah, either way, thank you so much for supporting us, making this video possible. Hopefully you liked it and you weren't Patreon of the day in a video that you hated.
Yeah.
But we do appreciate everything all of you do for us, whether it's a comment, a like, a dislike, or a share. We are extremely appreciative, and we wanted to give a shout out to Jose Alvarez and his family.
Thanks for your support.
Thank you for your support.
Be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, that way you get notified. Donde?
Every time.
We post a video and we will see you donde?
Mañana, and we do encourage you to share this video via what?
Zap. Adios, amigos.
Bye. I gotta get out of frame for